Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So big news today, a big 505 deadlift. This was very exciting. I'm gonna be playing my deload work sets first, and then I'll get to the warm ups after that. I want to discuss the topic of being able to grind out a heavy single. But before I do that, let me walk you all through this. So 425 for two, set number one. This was I expect this is like a precursor to the rest of the workout. I expect this set normally to be a little difficult, but today it was exceedingly so. It doesn't look like it. I mean, the bar is flying off the floor, but as I was doing it, this is one of those things where the bar felt very heavy to me, but it looks very normal. But with 455 that you see right now, you can see me struggle. This is not normal. The weight did feel too heavy. I wasn't very well prepared in the sense that I didn't feel too good going into this workout. I wasn't able to brace my core, and I was just having one of those off type days. But despite all these odds that are set against me, I still managed to get my 505. So I'm really happy about that. If you guys notice with 485 for 2, the first rep is a struggle. And you guys will see this in the second rep, the bar almost flies off the floor. See, boom, it just pops off, which is a lot. This is how I expect things to be, but because I've been spending so much of my time doing rep work and building on volume and focusing on that type of training, these heavy singles and the first getting that absolute force in the first rep is becoming difficult. I'm not able to engage everything the way I wanted it to. So 505 for one, it's a grinder initially, or rather in the middle, but then I lock it out clean. I hold it at the top for a little bit. I was pretty happy. I almost wanted to do a second rep, but then I was like, no, let me be conservative. There's no need to push the envelope in this workout. There are going to be plenty more workouts with me doing 505. So I did that. This is the warm ups that are going to start now. Next week, my plan is to be able to do 475 for two sets of two within my normal volume training. So I'm going to do 455 for two, 475 for two, 475 for two. That knocks out 6 reps of my 15 that I'm targeting. The remaining 9 reps are going to be distributed in two sets, 465 for 5 and 455 for 5. That's my plan. And then as the weeks progress, what I will do is I will start increasing the reps on 475 and cut them down on the other 455 and 465 sets, so that the bulk of my volume of 15 reps is spent with 475. For now, this is the plan. We're slowly working up the weights. So we spent a lot of time with 425 initially, then 455, and then 465 which we just finished. And last week I did do 475 for 7 heavy doubles. Now I'm going to be moving on to doing much more volume work and not just doubles. I want to take 475 and crank out 5 reps, or rather multiple sets, but I want to start with 5-4-3 or something like that. So get a lot of volume. The bulk of my volume in 15 reps should be with 475. We're going to come to the end of my warm-ups very soon. This is 255 for 5. I did not, like I said earlier, that this was, you guys can make out from the warm-ups of my previous weeks to now, that there is a lot of struggle that's there right now. I just wasn't feeling it. But that's the thing. My goal with training is not to just be able to bring my A game when everything is set up for me. I want to be able to pull through even when everything is set up against me. So that's exactly what I did. That's exactly what I successfully pulled off today. I'm very happy. I spent some time focusing. Anyway, this is going to be the last rep. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I really appreciate your love and support. Thanks.